Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Msqms paper of year 2016. Today we'll be solving question number 1 and question number 2 from the same paper. So let's begin with question number 1. In question number 1, it is said that I deposited rupees X with a bank which was offering 8% interest per year, which was compounded annually for a duration of 5 years. And at maturity, if I received approximately rupees 2,64,479, then X is 2 lakh, 1,60,000, 1,80,000 or 1,84,479. So basically this is a problem on compound interest. Now we know that the formula for compound interest is given by if P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, N is the duration, or in this case the number of years, and A is the final amount that we get after maturity. Then the formula is then A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. In this case, A is equal to rupees 264479. P is equal to rupees X. The rate of interest R is equal to 8%, and a time N is equal to 5 years. So by using the formula we'll find out the value of X. So here 264479 is equal to X into 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 5. That gives us the value of X as approximately equal to 17999.96, which is approximately equal to 1,80,000. So the option C is the correct option. Now we'll move forward to the next question. In the next question, which is question number 2, it is given that let n be a positive integer and a1 comma dot 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 up to an be any real numbers. Then the value of this expression n into summation ai square, where I goes from 1 to n, minus summation of ai, where I goes from 1 to n whole square, is greater than equal to 0 or less than equal to 0 or is equal to 0 or is equal to summation of ai aj, where I goes from 1 to n and j goes from 1 to n. So let's start by solving the problem. The expression that we are dealing over here is n into summation of ai whole square, where I goes from 1 to n, minus square of summation of ai, where I goes from 1 to n, and that is whole square. For simplicity, let a1, a2 up till an be given by 1, 2, 3 up till n, where n belongs to the positive integer set. In that case, summation of ai whole square, where I goes from 1 to n, is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 n square, and that is equal to n into n plus 1 into twice n plus 1 by 6. And summation of ai, where I goes from 1 to n, is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. Let me use the space below to solve the problem. So the expression that we have to consider is n into summation of ai whole square minus summation of ai whole square, and that is given by n into n plus 1 by twice n plus 1 by 6 minus n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So if we take n square and n plus 1 by 2 common, then it comes down to twice n plus 1 by 3 minus n plus 1 by 2, and this is equal to n square into n square minus 1 by 12. Now we know that n is a positive integer, so n is greater than equal to 1, and in that case n square minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. This implies that n square into n square minus 1 by 12 is always greater than equal to 0, and thereby the sum of the series, the equation, the structure that we have taken into consideration, this structure is also greater than equal to 0. So the correct option is option A. So today we have solved question number 1 and question number 2 from the ISI Msqms paper from year 2016. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Saurabh Sir's classes videos for more solutions, and all the best for upcoming examinations. Thank you very much.